Hi everyone, this is Ryan from Rivo here, and today I want to walk you through how you can set up your points program. Now you can think of the points program as the main foundation for your Rivo Loyalty app. The points will be a main source of value in which your customers will be rewarded in exchange for any of the incentives you have set up for your customers. In this video, I will show you how you can customize your points program. Now before we begin, make sure you have talked to one of our merchant success advocates on the live chat and verified your account. Once this step has been completed, you can move on to the left-hand side of the dashboard and click on Points right underneath the Programs tab. So here we are at the Points Program page. The first section you might have noticed is the Points Program status. As you can see, the program is currently disabled. However, if you would like to activate your program, all you would have to simply do is toggle this button to on. And there we have it. Moving right underneath to the earning points area, it is from here you will be able to make any changes to the incentives for your customers. In other words, you can customize how they will earn points. The basic actions here include points for signing up, placing an order, celebrating a birthday, completing a referral, following your page on Instagram, or liking your page on Facebook. Additionally, there are options to add another way to earn. When you click on this button, there are more various ways to earn points for social media actions, such as sharing a link on Facebook, following your page on Twitter, or sharing your link on Twitter. One thing to keep in mind here is that your customers will be given a fixed amount of points for all of these actions except for placing an order. So let's take a look at how to edit for placing an order. Immediately, you'll notice two different earning types in which you can issue your customers an incremented amount of points or a fixed amount of points. Underneath this is the earning value. You can choose to decide how many points you want to give away for every $1 spent or whichever currency you use for your store. You can also limit the number of times each customer can earn points for this action. And next to this, you can also upload your custom icon for this action if you wanted to. And now for the fun part. This is where you get to decide what type of rewards will be given in exchange for all of the points that your customers have accumulated. As you can see in this first section here, 2,000 points will equal a $20 off coupon code. However, if you want to change that, all you would have to do is click on Edit, and you can decide the type of points that are required to access this reward. You can also choose the reward amount, choose a minimum purchase value, decide if it applies to an entire order or a collection, and set a reward expiration if you'd like to do so. Now let's say you'd like to offer a free product or free shipping as a reward instead of a discount code. Well, you can definitely do that. All you would have to do is click on Add Another Reward. And as you can see here, free product or free shipping can be offered as a reward to your customers. You can also decide if you'd like to offer a percentage off discount or a fixed amount discount if that's the option you'd like to go with. And finally, I'd like to walk you through how your customers can access their points from the front end. There are three different choices here, and the first of them being the widget on your screen. The second option is the Shopify account page. And the third one being the dedicated rewards page, which is our newest feature. I hope this gives you a better idea of how to get your points program started. Have a blessed day, everyone. Take care, and I'll see you guys next time.